Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I want to give a special shout out to the company beauti-me, and I'll have all the information across the screen here as well as down below in the description box. So beauti-me has sent over some products for me to test out, and I'm excited. I have here the aloe gel, and I also have here the body lotion. Now both of these, they have tea tree and mint, and it smells really good. Okay, so with the aloe gel, this is something that you can use in the shower, and of course it is good for your face, your body, as well as your hair. And it has like this clear color to it. Let me show you guys so you can see. Yeah, it comes out clear, and this is basically something that you would use after a body wash. In particularly, you guys will use and I have it on the website as well, this is the body wash soap. You guys can find this from the company as well to use before, of course, you use this in the shower. Okay, so it's not going to give you like this soapiness. It is just something, again, that you put on your skin, you put on your hair, and it is very therapeutic. It smells amazing, and it has you feeling great. Okay, I've been using this since I received it in the mail. Now also, of course, you have this body lotion here, and this is good for eliminating things such as fungus and bacteria, as well as like body odor and dry and itchy skin. Now I'm a person, I suffer with dry skin, especially during like the harsh winters and this really hot summer that we're having here in the South. Burn it up. Okay, keeps my elbows a little rough sometimes, but this body lotion here is amazing. Okay, it comes of course with that tea tree and mint, but it also has other essential oils that really help. Okay, it is like, it's really soft, and the scent is not overpowering. What I love so much is that it's not overpowering, and of course it comes, when you squeeze it out, of course it looks like this. Voila, so freaking soft to the touch. Okay, extremely soft to the touch. So if you guys are interested in checking out these products, you're gonna head on over to beauti-me.com and tell them your girl Freebie Babe sent you. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.